Ricky, thanks. And as we get closer and closer to the first flakes falling of this major winter storm, Pittsburgh Regional Transit is trying to make sure its system can keep running when other modes of transportation may prove difficult. KDKA's Chilekasi Adele joins us live downtown outside the Gateway Center T station. Chile, what do the final hours before this storm hits look like in terms of preparation?
Yeah, Erica, it looks like a lot of salting, especially, right? We're talking about busways, we're talking about T stations, parking rides as well. PRT, as a matter of fact, earlier today put out an all hands on deck call so it can start getting crews in to prepare for all of this. Now, once the snow starts, PRT says when it comes to the T, it will run rail cars without passengers on them to make sure rails are free of snow and ice. Sleet cutters will also be put in to cut sleet or snow from overhead power lines. That keeps the power connection to the train cars going. PRT spokesperson Adam Brandoff did tell me that once all the snow starts, the system will basically be at the mercy of city, county, and municipal services, though, especially with the buses. Some of the hilly routes may have detours or route changes, and that may mean some stops, particularly ones not near main roads that aren't getting plow action, may have some routes changed on them.
That is also a signal for the following buses that come 20 minutes, 30 minutes later, that you're probably going to run into an issue. We're going to be running the service as much as we can, as best as we can, but safety is going to be our #1 priority.
Brandoff says PRT is asking riders to plan ahead, allow for additional travel time, be patient as well. When it comes to the schedules, most things are not changing. Tomorrow will be a regular Sunday schedule. Monday will be a regular weekday schedule. Paratransit trips will be canceled for tomorrow, though. The expectation is to try and make it so that Monday morning service can happen, but Brandoff also says to expect some delays with that as well. If you want to keep up to date with what's going on, any potential changes, you should go to the X page for PRT. You can also use TrueTime as well. That's a website you can use on your phone to see if there are any route changes to your bus route or your train route. Erica, back to you.